Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a vibrant and divine mandala art piece inspired by Radha Krishna. This is the part 2 of my dot mandala. I have attached the link of part 1 in the description. You can check it out. This artwork is not just decorative, it's a beautiful way to invite peace, love and spiritual energy into your home. Let's begin this meditative journey together. I am using a round MDF board as my base. The first step is to paint it black using acrylic paint. I used flat brush. Black enhances the brightness of the mandala design and gives it depth. I applied 2 coats with a flat brush and let it dry completely. Once the base dried, I drew a center circle where the Radha Krishna name will go. Using a pencil and compass, I added concentric circles to build the base structure for the mandala. This layout helps in maintaining symmetry and balance throughout the design. If you want to order this beautiful art piece, you can comment in the comment section or you can DM me to my Instagram handle. I will definitely reply and share the details of this artwork. Next, I began with dot mandala detailing. I used different sized dotting tools to apply shades of pink, white and magenta in rings. Each dot is carefully placed to create harmony and rhythm. It's almost like meditation in motion. Then I added layered petal motifs in the outer section. These patterns flow outward, giving the artwork a blooming effect. Using fine brushes, I added gradients of lavender, fuchsia and peach. ये डिज़ाइन प्यार का सिंबल है. बेसिकली कलर्स भी मैंने लव से रिलेटेड ही लिए हैं एंड एज वी ऑल नो दैट राधा कृष्ण से बेहतर प्रेम कोई नहीं कर सकता. टाइम टू हाईलाइट द सेंटर पीस. आई रोट राधा कृष्ण इन बोल्ड रेड देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट. दिस पार्ट इज डन स्लोली विद अ डिटेल ब्रश टू कीप द लेटरिंग शार्प एंड क्लीन. जब ये नाम बीच में होता है, पूरे आर्ट में एक अलग ही शांति का एकदम फील सा आ जाता है. Am I right? Creating mandala art has incredible mental benefits. It improves focus, reduces anxiety, and channels your creativity into something meaningful. Having this kind of divine art at home elevates the energy of the space. You can hang it in your living room, puja corner, or even gift it to someone special. It's not just art, it's a spiritual expression. So I am writing the Radha Krishna in the center with the reddish pink color. Basically I applied this color so that it will look attractive. सबसे पहले तो मैंने इसमें पेंसिल से ही रफली लिख लिया था पिछले वीडियो में, अगर आपने देखा होगा तो. अभी जस्ट हम इसको बोल्ड कर रहे हैं कलर्स के साथ. अगर आप भी ऐसा आर्टवर्क बनाना चाहते हो या सीखना चाहते हो तो उससे रिगार्डिंग भी आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आई अरेंज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एज वेल और ऑनलाइन मंडला क्लासेस. So you can contact me regarding the mandala sessions and classes as well. As we all know, once the design will complete, I will seal this beautiful artwork with the coat of varnish. It protects the colors and adds a beautiful lasting shine. This step is essential for preserving your artwork for years. I am moving forward to complete this beautiful stunning artwork, and trust me, it really gives me peace. And if you will hang it on your wall or at your place, at your home, definitely it gives peace, positive vibes to your home and to you also.